Thank you, Sing Canada Harmony, for supporting us with the scholarship. We've been able to have a spring prospective guest night, and we have several people who are keeping us company. And here we are at retreat and having a great time together and learning new songs. So thank you so much for your support.
Oh.